It's the first time these guys have been in the car on a long trip. Oh, yeah. Fletcher's not coping. Bandit doesn't know quite yet what's going on. He's just, hey, calm down. Calm down. It's okay. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Yes, it is. Yeah, everything is fine. You talking? Tell me. What is it? Tell me story. Tell me. Yeah, look at you. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Look. There's people out there. People. Yeah. What is it, Bandit? Is that you? Can you say hello? Hello. Hello. Hi, Bandit. Fletcher. Fletcher. Yeah. Say hello. Hi. Yeah. Say hello. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. Yeah. They're not quite sure of anything. They're just babies. They're 10 months old. Yeah, you're 10 months old. You are. You're 10. Actually, I think you're 11. Because your birthday's next month. So you're 11. Yeah. Yeah. Pretty little babies. What's happening? What's happening, buddy? It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. Just thought I'd show a little clip. You all have a nice day. See ya. Bye.